Okay, so for the parents, no, I am happy asking you to please step outside for a while and then we will call you when magbe-breaking na sila. Thank you po. Okay, Robert, Sulit. Welcome, thank you, Sulit. Okay, first done. Going to second done, puto.
Dapat may hangin sa looban. Okay na? Yung ano mo, rain guard mo. Shoot ka pa rin ang rain guard mo.
Okay. Attention all black belts who will be evaluating the upcoming black belts. Please assemble on the right side of the stage. Dito. All black belts who will be evaluating the upcoming black belts. So please assemble on this side right now. Lahat po ng black belts.
Steve! Kay Ate na! Sakay ko kay Ate. Sakay ko lang dito.
Yung mga magsasekat, yung mga second na magpatid. First time, going to second.